Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can add a new Excel sheet and copy the content of previous Excel sheet into that new sheet at click of a button. So let me share my screen. So as you can see, I have arranged my main Excel sheet and this Visual Basic editor side by side so that I'll be able to show you how it all goes. So in this sheet, I already have some content here. I want to copy this content and paste it into the new sheet. So before doing that, what I will do, I will just go to insert and I will add one rectangle here and I'll just type insert get bold in the center. Okay. So what we will do after recording our macro, I will assign that macro to this shape. Okay. And we'll copy this button also while recording a macro so that in the new sheet, we will have one ready-made button available by clicking on it, which we can just replicate that particular sheet again. Okay. So let's record a macro. So for recording a macro, you have to go to view. Just click on this drop arrow, click on record macro. You can rename if you want. I'm keeping it as it is. Click on OK. I'm not assigning any shortcut key since we will be assigning this button for running the macro. So I'll click on OK. As you can see, one module has been added here. Now I will start recording a macro. So what I will do, I will first select sheet 1 because I want to copy the content of sheet 1. Then I will select from F column because I want to copy this button also. So from F16 all up to A1, right click, copy. I will right click here, insert new worksheet and just right click and paste. And I will stop recording a macro. So as you can see, our code has been written here by the Excel. So what we are doing that we're selecting sheet 1. We are selecting range A1 to F16. Then this is not required. This we can delete. Then whatever we have selected, we are just copying it. Then again, this is not required. We just right click on sheet 1. That's if it was adding sheet 1 selected. We just need to select do sheets dot add and active sheet dot paste. Okay, so let's paste it. I'll just delete this one. Now in sheet 1, what we need to do, we need to assign a macro to this button. So I'll just right click on this insert, go to assign macro, select macro 1, click OK. Now if I click on this insert button, a new sheet will get added and this content will be pasted there. This sheet 3. If I click on this, again new sheet is getting added. Now the water content is getting added is from the sheet 1. Now if I change the sheet 1 here, let's say I'll change this background color to blue. And if I go on any other sheet and just click on insert, the new sheet is getting added, but the content are getting added from the sheet 1, not from that particular sheet on which I'm clicking the button, because in the macro while recording, we had clicked on sheet 1. That's why every time we run a macro, sheet 1 gets selected. Water contents are there in sheet 1 from range A1 to F16 are getting selected and copied, and we are adding a new sheet and we are just pasting the contents from the sheet 1. So this is how you can add a new sheet and copy the contents of previous sheet into a new Excel sheet at click of a button. So this is how you can leverage the recording of macro functionality of Excel to write a VBA code to match your requirements. So hope you like this video and do subscribe to my channel, provide your comments, like, share with others, And also, if you like to learn more about such contents exclusively, you can join my private Facebook group. The link for the same is also provided into the video description below. So hope to meet you soon. Bye bye.